Got a task you run in Codex every week and rebuild from scratch each time? A Codex custom skill turns it into one/command, no code. Here's how to create one in 2 minutes from a task you've already done.
So here's the trick. You don't actually build a skill from scratch. Instead, you just do the task normally first, exactly like I'm doing right now, and let Codex work its magic. Type the @ and the prompt. Look through my recent emails and find any brands offering paid sponsorships. Put them in a spreadsheet with notes on what they are asking for. Now, just let Codex handle the rest. Look at that. Clean, organized, and exactly what I wanted. Everything is already laid out for me without having to sort through all those emails manually. Now here's the fun part. I just tell it, I'm happy with this. Turn it into a skill. That's it. Seriously, that's all you have to do. Codex is smart enough to look at everything we just did, understand the workflow, and turn it into a reusable set of instructions. See that? It just wrote out the whole workflow as a skill file. And notice, I didn't have to touch any code or manually set anything up. Codex did all of that on its own. Now, anytime I want to run this again, I don't have to remember the prompt or re-explain the entire process. I just hit /, type the skill name, pick the skill, and boom! It runs the exact same workflow for me instantly. So something that normally takes multiple instructions can now be triggered with basically one command. One last tip, and this is really useful. Every time you use the skill, if you spot something you want to change or you find a better way of doing part of the workflow, just tell Codex to update the skill. That way, your skill isn't stuck with the first version. It keeps getting better and more useful the more you use it, and that's it. No code, no complicated setup, and no need to keep typing the same instructions over and over. Just do the task once, tell Codex to save it as a skill, and you've got a shortcut you can use whenever you need it. Try it out and let me know what skill you build first.